In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge error code status _illegal_instruction using a few simple troubleshooting steps. This is a very common issue, and it can happen because of corrupted cache, bad browser data, or even a broken extension interfering with Edge. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the control panel on your Windows computer. You can open it by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu. Once you're in Control Panel, look for the section related to Microsoft Edge or default programs and change the settings for Edge if needed. The goal here is to make sure Edge is properly set up on your system and not affected by a conflicting configuration. After that, open Microsoft Edge itself. With the browser open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window, which is one of the fastest ways to remove corrupted data that may be causing the error. Next, set the time range to All Time. This is important because we want to clear every potentially problematic file, not just the recent ones. Then, check the boxes for browsing history and cached images and files. These two items are often the main cause of browser-related errors, especially when Edge is loading damaged or outdated content. Once those options are selected, click Clear Now. Give the browser a moment to finish the process, and after that, restart Microsoft Edge to see if the error is gone. If you still see the status _illegal_instruction message, the next step is to disable your extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with normal browser operations, especially if one of them is outdated, broken, or incompatible with the current version of Edge. To do this, click the menu in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then toggle off all your extensions one by one, or disable them all at once if that option is available. After turning them off, close Edge completely and open it again. Then test the browser to see if the issue has been fixed. If the error disappears, you can turn your extensions back on one at a time to find the one causing the problem. This is a great way to isolate the issue without losing all your browser setup. In many cases, just clearing the cache and disabling extensions is enough to solve the problem completely. So if Microsoft Edge was giving you the status _illegal_instruction error, these steps should help get it working normally again. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple computer fixes, troubleshooting guides, and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.